The first thing we do, we'll plug the cable, the scanner, into the OBD2 port. In this 5 series, it's right here. On some 3 series, it's further down there, so you might have to get under the dashboard and find the OBD2 port. Next, we'll turn on the ignition. Here we select BMW, we'll press enter. Press enter again. And you can press enter to scan the VIN number or manually enter it. Press enter. We scroll down using these arrows. Go to service and press enter. Next, we scroll down again to go to body. Next, we go to power supply menu, battery, that's option 2. Press enter. Select battery by pressing enter again. Here you can evaluate the state of the current battery and see when it was replaced and what type of battery is installed on this vehicle. Here you can see battery capacity running at 110 amp hours and when the last battery was replaced. Okay, here we are in the battery replacement menu or the battery registration. You can see the history of the old battery, what type of battery it is, and when it was replaced. If you select option 1, press enter, and press enter one more time. So it went too fast right there. So here you can see current registered battery capacity 110 amp hours, and it was replaced, the mileage when it was replaced. So let's go back by pressing OK. Next we need to register a new battery. So scroll to the left, press enter. Here we have a few options. The first one would be to replace the battery with one that's exactly the same as the original, so the same battery type and the same battery capacity. So you'd go with option 1 there. If you change the battery to a higher or lower capacity battery, you would want to come here at option 2 and change from like 110, for example, to a lower one to like a 90 amp hours, or vice versa. And option 3 is when you change the battery type. So if you're going from lead acid battery, the batteries that usually have that white housing, to an AGM battery, you would want to go to option 3, change that to whatever type of battery you're using, and then once you're done with that, we come back to option 1 and do a battery registration. So let's go with that. So again, there's 2 and 3. 4 is to end the whole process, so let's go with 1 and do a battery registration. You gotta make sure that the engine is turned off and that the ignition is on. Once you do that, here, that's it. It took a second. Press OK and you're done. And that's how easy it is to register a new battery.